Justin Brownlee will be forever etched in Barangay Ginebra's storied lore after helping the team notch its third PBA championship in the last 6 conferences. Brownlee again emerged as the brightest star as the Gin Kings dethroned the San Miguel Beermen to become the new Commissioner's Cup Kings. The squad's legion of fans have grown fond of the American import, and if he would have it his way, he would be spending his entire playing career with the barangay. "Man, I wish forever," he told reporters when asked how long does he see himself playing for the league's crowd darlings. "I hope for a long time, but I'm just going to see how it goes. It's safe to say that Brownlee will be staying with the Gin Kings in the near future." In Ginebra's title-clinching 93-77 Game 6 win of the best-of-7 affair, the 30-year-old delivered a herculean effort of 31 points, 19 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 blocks and 2 steals. In those 6 finals games, Brownlee did not once have a bad game as he averaged a jaw-dropping stat line of 31. 5 points, 10.5 rebounds, 5.8 assists, 2.3 blocks and 1.7 steals. He has now won 3 titles in the 4 conferences he played in the PBA since 2016, and he has gone a perfect 3 of 3 in the finals, earning praise from fans as the greatest Ginebra import ever. "Man, that's a great compliment. I definitely love the compliment. I don't like to think of myself like that. I just want to keep doing good and just keep working hard, and whatever comes with it, I'll take it," he said. Work is not finished for Brownlee as he returns for the Gin Kings in their bid to defend the Governor's Cup title they have won the past 2 years